Rais William Ruto ni amukirite na wiru gwitikirika kwa maabisa ba UKARIA ba Kenya gwita gwika thiri nthigurune ya Haiti. Rais augite ngwataniro iji ni agitumi ni untu ikathegeia ndugu gatigati ga Kenya na nthiguru ingi. Rais William Ruto ni agwatite mbaru etagaria ria United Nations Security Council wetekeria abitha ba UKARIA ba Kenya gwita nthigurune ya Haiti na gutethereria gwika thiri. Na ugite nandi iromba riawe irikinyanirite.
I pleaded for a resolution under Chapter 7 of the Charter with the appropriate provisions to facilitate support for the Haiti National Police in enhancing its capacity to effectively provide security for the people of Haiti, their infrastructure and property. I am delighted that today the Security Council has directly answered this call with UN Security Resolution 2699 of 2023.
Ruto ne ugite bobo gatethia nthiguru ije gukira na kinya gwitana mbere.
This mission is a fundamental intervention to provide the necessary conditions for Haiti to consolidate its development and governance. It is therefore absolutely essential that resources as well as operational scope available to the UN team, as well as other humanitarian and development actors on the ground in Haiti, be appropriately reinforced.
Norite ndwanginge cha thirikari mwanya kinyacho gutethereria nthiguru iji.
As we look forward to the imminent COP28, I also call for the attention of states, international organizations, philanthropies, and other institutions to attend to the severe environmental degradation in Haiti, which calls out for the urgent mobilization of collective action. We express our determination that this mission will provide a different footprint in the history of international interventions in Haiti.
Akiongera bobo kareta ngwataniro gatigati ka nthiguru mwanya.
The resolution marks an important moment in the history of global multilateralism as we engage in international collective action that places human security and dignity at the same level as state security and sovereignty and enables the nations of the world to discharge a collective moral duty of securing justice and security for all peoples of all nations. This is a mission for humanity, which connects boldly and directly with the founding principles of the United Nations and affirms our shared hope that justice is finally coming to the people of Haiti. We shall succeed in Haiti. We must not fail the people of Haiti.